Your credit score is an important factor that affects your financial life. It determines your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and even job opportunities. A good credit score can help you secure favorable interest rates, whereas a poor credit score can limit your options and cost you more money in the long run. In this video, we will discuss what a credit score is, how it is calculated, and what you can do to improve it. So, what is a credit score? A credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness. It is a 3-digit number that ranges from 300 to 850, and the higher the number, the better your credit score. The score is calculated based on your credit history, which includes your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit. Let's talk about payment history. Your payment history is the most important factor in determining your credit score. It accounts for 35% of your score, and it shows whether you have paid your bills on time. Late payments, collections, and bankruptcy can significantly impact your credit score. Therefore, it is important to make your payments on time and in full. So what is credit utilization? Credit utilization is the amount of credit you are using compared to your credit limit. It accounts for 30% of your score, and a high credit utilization rate can negatively impact your credit score. Experts recommend keeping your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a good credit score. What about length of credit history? The length of credit history is how long you have been using credit. It accounts for 15% of your score, and a longer credit history can improve your credit score. However, if you are new to credit, you can still have a good score by making your payments on time and maintaining a low credit utilization rate. So what about new credit? New credit refers to the number of new accounts you have opened recently. It accounts for 10% of your score, and opening too many new accounts in a short period can negatively impact your credit score. Therefore, it is important to be cautious when applying for new credit. What about types of credit? The types of credit you have also can affect your credit score. It accounts for 10% of your score, and having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can improve your credit score. So how to improve your credit score? Improving your credit score takes time and effort, but it is possible. Here are some steps you can take to improve your credit score. Check your credit report. The first step in improving your credit score is to check your credit report. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every year. You can access your credit report through annualcreditreport.com. Check your reports for errors, such as incorrect personal information or accounts that do not belong to you. Dispute errors. If you find an error on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureau that provided the report. You can dispute errors online or by mail, and the credit bureau has 30 days to investigate your claim. If the error is found to be inaccurate, the credit bureau must remove it from your report. Pay your bills on time. As mentioned earlier, your payment history is the most important factor in determining your credit score. Therefore, it is essential to make your payments on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Reduce your credit utilization. High credit utilization can negatively impact your credit score. Therefore, it is important to keep your credit utilization below 30%. You can reduce your credit utilization by paying. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you'd like to see my channel grow, please subscribe.